So let me begin with a question to you, which I hope you won't think is impertinent, but what kind of creature do you think you are? Who do you think you are?
Recent developments in the natural sciences are confronting us with new challenges and opportunities in various fields of life and governance. Contemporary neuroscience, a field that promises to give us better understanding of human behavior and to help us apply this knowledge to various practical fields such as politics, education, and the criminal justice system.
In my previous work, I argued that over the course of the 20th century, human beings came to understand themselves as fundamentally psychological beings, as beings inhabited by a deep interior psychological space. This space called psi, which was the locus of our personhood, of our emotions, of our beliefs, of our very personality. So Foucault says we should practice criticism as a historical investigation into the events that have led us to constitute ourselves and to recognize ourselves as subjects of what we are doing, thinking, and saying. The important thing to recognize about these materialists was not only the radicalism of their argument, but also the limitations of their access to the brain, because they could accede to the human brain only after death. And indeed, most of their experiments, other than with dead human brains, were done with animals. Government must conform to the nature of the men governed. Every strategy for governing human beings depends upon a certain view of what human beings are, about their nature. Are they members of a flock to be led? Are they children to be educated? Are they subjects whose character must be trained? Are they citizens who must be given security by the state? Are they psychological beings? Or are they perhaps neurobiological beings? Will the 21st century be the century of neuro, and in that case, with what consequences?
We were very much delighted, and we felt very much grateful that you spent a long time with us, actually, and I think it was an unprecedented interest to this topic, regardless that it's Friday afternoon. So Professor Nikolas Rose, thank you very much again for your presentation.